Welcome back for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, aka the Nice Cream King, coming to you live with this microgreen thing. Welcome back, my friends, for the second video in the 10-part series that I'm doing during the plant-based bundle. I wanted to let you guys know there's something special going on, the plant-based bundle. It's only going on for about 10 days. It's different than the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle, okay, you guys? It's completely different. There's going to be over 100 different products in this bundle for 50 bucks. Everything ranging from like yoga and meditation and exercise programs and meal plans, even like business courses, like to start your business if you want to be like an online entrepreneur. So be sure to check that out. I'll put that in the description below, and that's going on for just a short time. So anyways, without further ado, you guys, let's get into this video. This video is going to be why you should be sprouting. Why should you be sprouting? I'm going to tell you why. Because it is fun, cheap, and easy. There we go. I mean, like, who doesn't like stuff that is fun, cheap, and easy, right? I mean, it's fun, cheap, and easy, but even better yet, you're going to be getting like some absolutely incredible nutrition, adding sprouts to your diet. Okay, so you don't have to be a raw foodie. Like myself, I like to eat raw foods because it makes me feel amazing. But you don't have to be a raw foodie. You don't have to be plant-based. You don't have to be vegan to be enjoying sprouts and getting the benefits that sprouts are going to add to your life. Everybody should be sprouting. I don't care what diet or lifestyle you prescribe to. Get some sprouting seeds and start sprouting. So why you should be sprouting is, of course, like I said, they're not only fun, cheap, and easy. You don't have to have a green thumb to do it. It only takes a couple of days, between 2 and 5 days, you're able to eat these little bad boys. Absolutely incredible, super delicious, soluble fiber, good food for the gut microbiome. It's going to help, move everything through the tube. We've got a tube, right? We've got two holes, a hole here and a hole there, right? And it's going to help the food move through the tube. That's why we want to be eating more fiber. For those of you guys out there who follow a plant-based diet, I'm sure you're getting quite a bit of fiber. I'm hoping that you do. For those of you who follow a raw plant-based diet, a raw vegan diet, I know you guys are definitely getting some good amount of fiber. For those of you who aren't plant-based and just eating, say like omnivorous, eating whatever, make sure you're getting good fiber into your diet. And sprouts is definitely a great way to start adding good fiber into your diet. Because when we do these kinds of things, it's going to help our digestive system. It's going to help our immune system. They say our second brain is in our gut. There's a lot of microbial life forms that live within our intestines and our digestive tract. So we want to be feeding them what their preferred fuel source is, which is fiber, my friends. Fiber is key. Another thing about sprouting is it's really empowering because it's nice to be able to store food. And if you have your seeds stored properly, like in an airtight, sealed container, either a jar or maybe you do like a vacuum sealed food saver container, they will last for, honestly, years, right? You're going to have probably a better germination rate if you don't like have them set on in the counter, on the counter, but in your pantry for years at a time. But it's a great way to store food. Another thing that's cool about sprouting is it's a great conversation starter. If you got a couple jars sitting on your windowsill or your counter, or you open up your cupboard and there's sprouts, sprouting in your cupboard, because they don't necessarily need light. And then, a seed, when it's going through a germination process, it's normally buried under soil, right? So it doesn't need light. All you need to do is just a few simple things, which make sure you stay tuned for videos coming up. I'm going to describe all of the tips and tricks on how to be sprouting for yourself. And it's really incredible too, because there's some plant foods that really catch like the limelight, the spotlight, right? Like kale. Everybody knows kale. Kale's like the superfood. Well, what is so incredible about sprouting kale is it's up to 25 times more nutrient. Like you're going to get more micronutrients and more benefits in a lot of ways eating the sprout than you are the fully mature kale, which is just absolutely incredible. So that is why you should be sprouting, my friends. So you guys, thanks for tuning in to this short video. Like I said, this is number 2 of the 10-part series. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Kick me the thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications for future videos. And for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. And for those of you who have subscribed already, welcome back. It's good to see you. Miss you guys. And yeah, be sure to click the link down below to check out the plant-based bundle. Absolutely incredible deal. You don't want to miss out on that for sure. So anyways, you guys, until tomorrow, love you guys.